Okay, so here's the finished product, at least for now. So, little red light on the front, zip tied, triple A's, sunglasses, got another little keychain, flashlight, makes it easier to open up. I also put a little lanyard and a thing so you can quickly, obviously not one-handed, but hand open up the main, gun, map, all of California, just what I had on hand. I got a little beanie, nitrile gloves, wet wipes, a little pack of some coffee candy and some electrolyte mix. Then first I got package, fire starting material, everything to do with fire, some Vaseline with cotton swabs, a couple of lighters, got ferro rod in there, some metal tape, some chapstick, and a box of matches. Next, little tools, a few zip ties, some batteries, some electrical tape. What else I got in here? I already forgot. A couple of nails, some electronics stuff, some plugs, some chargers. What's that? Then toothbrush, a little toothpaste, just in case I get stuck somewhere. Some bandage, pencil, marker, like a paint marker, a Sharpie. Got some picks and files, some toothpicks, magnifying glass. That's in there. And this one is makeshift IFAK. I got pills, some ibuprofen, some Advil,